Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Bolt food delivery app. So let's get started. So here I can see the Bolt app. Okay, Bolt food app. You will just open it, and then here you have to log in with your ID. So here I am just giving my phone number. Okay, so let me hide it, otherwise it can be leaked. Okay, so here I will just put a brush, or I can just pause the video. So here you can see I have just logged in a Bolt app. Then here you have to put the location. If it shows a delivery, then you can just choose your favorite restaurant, and from there you can order your food and it will deliver at your home. So by this way you can just do it, and it's an easy process. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.